life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Mr. Joe.
Good morning, how's it going?
Not bad, you?
Very good, thanks.
Yeah, good, you?
Welcome to Petrol Head Tours.
Yeah, good, you?
Very good, thanks.
Okay, cool, why don't you marry me then? Day one. It's currently that time, 9:15.
9:15.
We're about to set off to go to the ferry.
We are, well, ferry stroke Eurotunnel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just about to watch the cars come out of the hotel. We just had our briefing, just had some food and some coffees, and yeah, long day today. I think we're going to end up just near the German border, near the Black Forest. So mostly motorway driving and stuff.
Nice, yeah, it's going to be a bit boring, so we just thought we'd make this a bit more of a travel video than anything else.
Yes.
And then later on we'll crack on with some proper driving.
Yep.
But yeah, welcome to Mr. Achilles on the road. I don't know what to call this video yet, but we'll find a name. Tour, petrol head things. Cool, yeah, bye.
Roger, Roger.
Roger, Roger, what's your vector, Victor?
Roger, Roger, sphincter, sphincter.
Oh, sorry.
Engine off and brake and park position. Thank you.
Nice. You like?
I like. Where was the toilet?
About 7 miles that way, you know.
Was it in France, then?
Yeah, the toilet was in France and now come back to England.
Oh, nice one.
It was quite nice in France.
Was it?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll be dreaming. 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 I'll be dreaming.
So, Mr. Joe, we have made it to La Française.
We have. Did you know that I'm fluent in French?
Non.
Okay, well.
Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais quoi. Je m'appelle Bartik.
Oh.
Oh, really?
See?
Interesting. No, I agree. Totally agree. Current route is we're on our way to the hotel, correct?
We are. I think it's quite a long journey. Mostly motorway today, so it's going to be quite dull, but that just means that tomorrow is going to be very exciting from the time we wake up. So yeah, today should be exciting. I'm glad I'm not feeling I've had man flu all week, so today is hopefully the last day of having man flu.
So you've got your beef jerky.
My beef jerky. I've got my big bottle of water.
Yeah.
What have we got going on in the cabin? People like cabin tours.
Right, well let's give you a little tour. So far,
oh, we got a sat nav.
We've got a sat nav, yeah. We have your little P3 gauge over there, which is doing nice and dandy things.
P3 gauge down there. And actually, to be fair, it's the first time I'm really in Scotland. I didn't really. It was brand new, so I just forgot to look at it and use it. But this trip, I'm actually going to make sure to use it, look at it. It's going to be interesting in the Alps with us two heavy blokes in the car. The most important gadget of any car is a mega mount.
And it's not just one mega mount that we've got, it's two mega mounts! So yes, this week's videos are going to be mainly focused about the driving, obviously, the roads. We're going to do a Q&A as well today, or tomorrow, whenever. Maybe this evening in our hotel room when we're naked. Petrol Head Tours are bringing us out this week, so expect lots of footage on their Instagrams, lots of footage on Joe's, lots of picture taking, scenery. It's going to be a different thing to I think what they've seen before, or your followers have seen before.
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Follow Joe, follow Petrol Head Tours, and if you want to follow me, great. And yeah, we shall see you in probably at the hotel because I don't know how much of this is stuff we can.
Dreams.
Joe, this is your best dream.
Look at that, it's an M40D X5. I didn't know they made one of them.
They do, yeah, look.
Oh god.
It clearly says X40D M drive with a. Gosh, what do you think of that?
Yeah, but I don't care because look in the rear window.
Quick little fuel stop.
Yeah. Fuel for the car and fuel for the belly.
Yeah.
Life is just always.
Perfect, you ready?
Now this is quite exciting, Joe. What have we got coming up on the old rear of us?
Well, we've got a JLR product in the shape of some kind of Range Rover in camo, so it's something they're testing, God knows what. We actually saw it on the Euro tunnel crossing, but we're going to get a close look at it now, so over to you, Padwick.
Slow down.
So it's got big like canards in the front. Oh, they're not on this side. Oh yes, they are, look.
See, there's little flicks just there. That Golf R is so quick.
So the M140 is fast, it's about 380 brake, but that over there is an E63S with nearly 700 horsepower.
Okay.
So we'll just do it on the third horn, yeah? Watch this.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go over and get a code.
Maybe. What does it say? Do you read French, mate?
Sorry.
What do we do?
I went in there, I don't know if she gave me the codes for this or if these are like bingo or local lotto codes.
Okay.
Either way, we're winners. Oh, actually, yeah, let's get ready. Are we ready?
I don't know. Give us some stretch. Oh,
there's a wasp there. Oh, sorry, I'm not cruel to think, but he just might. We won't anymore.
oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Okay. First one.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner. So. You never know what's around the next corner. So.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on?
I made it.
I'm still not used to someone else filming me. That's really
No, I know you're like, oh.
1 second. If I put my hand, that's better.
Yeah.
Now I feel
okay,
normal.
cool.
Yeah.
Let's just. Okay.
Yeah, we've arrived at a hotel. Been a really good day, mostly motorways, but I'm really excited about tomorrow because I have a feeling I know what's in store. Very nice hotel rooms, as they always are on these trips. And yeah, I think we're going to go downstairs and join those boys down there for a beer and some food.
Nice.
And then go and have a spa.
I think I might go for a little swimmeroonie.
A swimmeroonie. Yeah, cool.
Nice one.
Thanks for today, and let's see what tomorrow brings.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? What we dreaming? Are we dreaming?